Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the foundation. Confirm your device clock and time zone match the real time, because certificates depend on accurate dates. Once done, turn off VPN, proxy, or any antivirus SSL inspection briefly, then open Chrome and go to Privacy and Security. You do this because Chrome will reject certificates if interception or a wrong clock makes them appear invalid. Now you're ready to examine certificate details and proceed with the next corrective step. Now inspect the site certificate by clicking the padlock, viewing the certificate chain, and checking issuer and validity dates so you know why Chrome flagged it. If the server uses a self-signed or internal CA, export the certificate or request a new copy from your admin. Then import that cert into your OS, trusted root store, or Chrome certificate manager, making sure to place internal CA certs in the correct trust store. This lets Chrome treat the site as trusted going forward. Finish by clearing Chrome's cache and restarting the browser, because stale state can keep showing the error. Then reload the site to confirm the certificate is accepted. If the problem persists, try incognito or another browser to isolate profile or extension issues and disable extensions that interfere with TLS. If nothing works, revert any temporary antivirus or VPN changes and contact the site administrator. Sometimes the server must renew or change certificates correctly. That rescue tip often resolves stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.